What's up? What's up? What's up? Just got home from work. How you doing? How you doing? Hey, Bambino. All right, all right. So I just got home. It's been a long day, so I figured I'd do my video earlier for all you out there, Otter gang, sending much love. In Otter news, Jerome Powell made the market go boom boom because he's saying we're only going to get 0.5 basis hike rather than 0.75, and everybody's getting happy. Forrest Gump's even happy. Forrest Gump is just like that. We started talking about the moon and Lambos and stuff. We got a pump today. We got a pump, but this is my Otter happy face. Let's do this. So I got home. I'm exhausted. Long day. I'm a carpenter by trade. So it goes to show you that a working man, can still come to these charts and extract some money. So I came in with the mindset of I'm tired, but I've decided to dedicate myself into helping out all you folks, the Otter gang, Alex O Crypto followers. And I got to give you the levels, right? So we had this big pump today. Boom, we got some news. We came back up to around 17,250. But yeah, I zoomed out. I came home. I zoomed out on my charts. I took a VRV. I always get this messed up. VRVP, the volume range profile, right? And I looked back to see where we were here. And, my major targets for this pump, if we were to continue, are definitely up here. I don't think there's a lot stopping us from getting up here. These are my major stops, right? So for me, the biggest one is this 18,650 to 18,130. 650, I mean 605. Sorry. Like I said, I'm tired, man, but I'm bringing you the sauce, right? So I'm trying my best. But let's zoom into the lower time frames. I was doing this a bit earlier. Alt-R, reset that chart. Take a quick look here. So yeah, look, we had this marked out yesterday. Just so we know. That's a simple pull from our low to our high here. And we can see that we came up and bada bada bing, bada boom. We hit that stuff like magic, right? So that's just confluence, right? So we were waiting for these levels today. They came down. I was swinging my hammer, so I never got get into this little beautiful scalp long. Jerome Powell was just like, you know what? I'm going to get dovish on you. And boom, we came up, right? Would have been a nice little trade. Currently though, I'm in a wee short, starting from here. I think I got in at about 150. I got to check my trade, but I got in around here. We'll see if we can ride this down. I got my stop loss above the top here. I'm probably a little bit higher. I think just in case we get a scam wick, I'm probably up here somewhere. But that's where I'm at right now in my trading. But we've had quite a move. Look at this. We've moved from here to here, right? So what does this tell us? Is that we're filling up all these beautiful areas that we weren't filling up before, right? We've had a major move up from the lows of this volume profile if we were to turn on our VRVP, right? And we can see that we got to fill up this volume here. We have a little bit spike down here. We did all that stuff. We set in some nice lows. A major point of control now. So I'd expect us, with any range, for us to work our way back down to these point of controls and lower range. At least a point of control. We know how strong that is because we've been trading sideways on that for the past week and a bit. So right now we're right at the top, right? So I'm going to drop this down here. I'm just going to give it a little label. Name it our value area high. Just so we know where we're going to go. Oh, double clicking. And this will be our point of control. Now, we zoom in, we take a look, right? Where do we expect price to go? Now, I don't expect this to be a clean move all the way up. I don't expect this to just, I believe there's got to be a correction, a 1, 2, 3, and then we continue upwards or downwards, right? Because don't forget, we're still in a bear market. The market has changed to a bit of a bullish sentiment, right? We got a couple more days of news coming out. I believe I've written it down somewhere here. Yeah, we got unemployment rate and we got spending. Today we had the GDP, and the speech, right? So we could have some bearish news, but with the news, we're gonna they say, oh, we're only gonna hike it by zero point 0.5 basis points instead of 0.75. Well, they're still hiking interest rates, so that's still not good, right? Because we do feel the interest rate hike later on after they've cranked up the prices of our damn bread, right? So we got to prepare for that. So what levels am I looking for? I'm looking for a retracement here. So I'm going to pull a fib and just get some confluence all the way through here. So we've pulled this fib. We're going to pull this one here, right? I'm going to zoom in for you guys just so you can see how I come to these charts. I'm going to be looking here in this little area. You can see we got a little bit of volume here. Also going to be looking down here as well because we got a nice bounce. So we'll keep that there, right? And then I'm also going to take a bigger look at the market. So I'll take one from right below all the way down here to pull it to swing high, right? And that lands basically on the point of control. So we know that the point of control is a major level, right? So what is my plan? What is my strategy? What is my thoughts? Right now I'm going to ride this long. I'm going to ride it, or this short. I'm going to ride this short down. Take profit 2. Take profit 3. Take profit 4. Right? And then let the rest ride if it happens to be. Do I expect it to go straight down? No way. Right? Do I expect it to go up? We are in an uptrend. The trend is your friend. Right? Can we get a retracement and maybe get a schlong going on here, right? That's a possibility. It's also another possibility that we do it here. We're going to look for confluence. Right now, we have the reason why I took this trade in the first place, is because we were doing a nice, beautiful, oh, F, my God. You see this? We got higher highs and we got lower lows, right? So we got some bear divvy. We'll call them otter divs. We got some otter divs for my otter gang friends out there. And you know what? Jason Casper, shout out to Jason Casper. He calls that chicken drinking water, right? Uneven butt cheeks. Frankie Candle's always pointing it out. So we always got to be aware of these things because they play out a lot of the time. Why did I take this trade as well? Is because for me, I don't believe that we can just go straight up to the moon. It's not like we just got some news that like the world's changing and everybody's adopting Bitcoin, except for Brazil, apparently. But it's going to make this market stronger by having a little bit more pain so it can wean out all the bad apples. You know what I mean? So I don't believe our bottom's in. My sentiment is still bearish. It's just with this news coming out, it can give some people some hopium. So I'm going to be watching these levels. Also, I'm going to be watching the levels above. So I'm going to mark these out. Our next stops, if we continue upwards, is right here and here, because these have been support and resistance along the way. Now I can turn on my support and resistance market cipher, and you can easily see that these tops have been support and resistance along the way, right? So those are my next stops. These are my levels. That is my trading plan, right? So we are looking again to push up. We are looking to come back and push up. And we're also looking to work our way back down to this point of control, right? But I do believe that right now we are moving in a beautiful, beautiful uptrend, right? And giving people a lot of hopium. We can look at the channel as well. If you want to draw a channel, it can probably give us a better idea of which way we're going. So the channel would be, let's see, okay, here's our channel. So we go from here to here, and we can pull it out that way, right? Let's try and connect some of these so it looks a bit more accurate. That's our channel, right? That's our channel, definitely. So, with this channel, can we break out, right? Can we break out? I know it's a little bit of a longer and a slower and less energy video, but I'm trying my best, guys. You know, hard day's work today, so I appreciate all of you. If you've made it this far, I mean, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, I'm trying my best. I love you all. This is kind of my plan, right? This is what I'm doing every time I come to the charts. I just wanted to share that with you guys, be transparent, do my best to be honest, open with you guys, give you all the things that are running through my head in order to make good decisions when coming to the charts, trying to have a good mindset, clear mind, you know, meditation every morning, all that kind of stuff. Like I really like to work on my mindset in order to set me up for success in the charts, because it prevents me from FOMOing in. It prevents me from not having patience. It allows me to say no to certain trades, even though I want to participate, right? It allows me to be better when it comes to the trading and trying to make a profit, right? So risk management, have some courage out there. God bless you all. I love you, and have a great evening or day, because you're probably in North America. Love you. Bye.